Tired of wrestling with ladders or hiring pros to trim those hard-to-reach branches? In 2025, the best pole chainsaws make tree maintenance safe, efficient, and ladder-free. Whether you're a homeowner tidying up a suburban yard or a pro clearing acres, these tools combine reach, power, and precision to tame any tree. From cordless convenience to raw gas-powered muscle, our top 5 picks deliver for every job. Ready to cut through the clutter? Check out our list and don't forget to explore the links in the description for the latest prices and details. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR 8-inch pole saw. When it comes to cordless power tools, DEWALT's reputation for rugged reliability is unmatched. The DEWALT 20V Max XR 8-inch pole saw isn't a lightweight pruning toy. It's a professional-grade tool blending robust power, impressive reach, and battery-driven convenience for tackling unruly branches with ease. The DEWALT feels like an extension of your toolkit from the moment you unbox it. Built with durable plastics and metal, it exudes that signature DEWALT toughness. Its high-efficiency brushless motor maximizes power, torque, and battery life, ensuring long-lasting performance. The modular 3-piece design offers versatility. Connect the 8-inch cutting head directly to the power head for a 10-foot tool, or add the 2.7-foot extension for a 15-foot reach to conquer high limbs. The angled cutting head and metal bucking strip provide stable, precise cuts, while an automatic oiler with a translucent tank keeps the chain lubricated, making maintenance a breeze. Performance is where the DEWALT shines. The brushless motor delivers surprising torque, cutting through 3 to 4 inch hardwood branches like butter and handling up to 6 inches with ease. The 4.0 AH battery offers dozens of cuts per charge, and compatibility with larger 5.0 AH or 6.0 AH batteries extends runtime for bigger jobs. At full 15-foot extension, it's top-heavy, requiring strength and steady hands to manage flex, but its power and balance make it a standout for efficient ladder-free pruning. Number 2. Greenworks 80V 10-inch pole saw. For those craving gas-like power without the noise or fumes, the Greenworks 80V 10-inch pole saw is a cordless beast built for serious pruning. Perfect for homeowners with large wooded lots or semi-pros tackling heavy-duty jobs, this saw delivers unrelenting torque and a 10-inch bar that rivals gas models, all with the clean, quiet convenience of battery power. The Greenworks 80V feels substantial, with the professional-grade build that screams durability. Its brushless motor, powered by the 80V platform, trims out exceptional torque for demanding cuts. The 3-piece aluminum shaft adjusts from a compact tool to an 11-foot reach for high branches or tight spaces. The 10-inch bar slices through branches up to 9 inches thick with an angled head for ergonomic cutting. An automatic oiler and cushion grip keep operations smooth, while the translucent oil tank ensures you never run dry. This saw is a monster. The ADV system maintains chain speed under heavy loads, cutting through dense hardwoods without hesitation. The included 2.0 AH battery handles dozens of cuts, and larger 4.0 AH or 5.0 AH batteries from Greenworks lineup extend runtime for all-day work. At 9.3 pounds, it's heavy, especially at full extension, demanding strength and proper technique to avoid fatigue, but for raw power in a cordless package, it's unmatched. Number 3. Husqvarna 525 PT5S 12-inch gas pole saw. When raw power and unlimited runtime are non-negotiable, the Husqvarna 525 PT5S 12-inch gas pole saw steps up as the pro's choice. Built for arborists, landscapers, and large property owners, this gas-powered beast combines a 25.4cc X-torque engine with a telescopic shaft for unmatched reach and cutting capacity, making tough all-day jobs feel effortless. The 525 PT5S is a professional's dream, with a robust design built to endure. The X-torque engine delivers high torque, quick acceleration, and fuel efficiency while cutting emissions. Its telescopic shaft adjusts on the fly for a 15-foot reach, perfect for high branches without a ladder. The 12-inch bar tackles thick limbs, backed by a magnesium clutch housing and auto oiler for durability. An air purge bulb and auto return stop switch ensure easy starts, while the included harness reduces fatigue. This saw's performance is relentless, chewing through oak or pine with ease. Its gas-powered design means no battery limits, just refuel and keep cutting. At over 15 pounds, it's heavy, and the noise and fumes require PPE and ventilation. Maintenance like fuel mixing is a must, but for pros needing power and reach, it's unrivaled. Number 4. Joe SWJ803E 10-inch electric pole saw. For homeowners seeking power on a budget, the Joe SWJ803E 10-inch electric pole saw delivers big performance without the big price tag. This corded electric saw was perfect for occasional pruning, offering steady power, great reach, and a low cost, making it a practical choice for keeping your yard tidy without breaking the bank. The Joe is designed for simplicity and value. Its 8-amp motor drives a 10-inch Oregon bar, capable of cutting branches up to 9.5 inches thick. The telescoping pole adjusts from 5.8 to 8.8 feet, giving a 15-foot overhead reach. The multi-angle head, 0 to 30 degrees, ensures precise cuts, while an auto oiler and safety switch keep operations smooth and safe. The corded design means unlimited runtime, but you'll need an extension cord. The 8-amp motor delivers consistent power, slicing through branches with surprising ease. It's ideal for storm cleanup or seasonal pruning. At 8 pounds, it's manageable, but top-heavy at full extension. Cord management is the main challenge, requiring careful planning to avoid snags. For affordability and reliability, it's a winner.
Number 5. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 8-inch Pole Saw. For homeowners who want simplicity and ease, the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max 8-inch pole saw is a lightweight, user-friendly gem. Perfect for light pruning in suburban yards, it prioritizes ease of use and cordless convenience, making it an ideal addition for anyone in the BLACK+DECKER 20V Max family. At just 6.3 pounds without the battery, this saw is a breeze to handle. Its 3-piece design adjusts from 6.5 to 10 feet, offering a 14-foot reach. The 8-inch bar cuts branches up to 6 inches with an auto oiler and tool-free chain tensioning for easy upkeep. Compatible with BLACK+DECKER's 20V Max batteries, it's a cost-effective add-on. The lightweight build reduces fatigue, perfect for quick jobs. This saw excels at light pruning, zipping through 3 and 4-inch branches effortlessly. The 2.0 AH battery handles up to 100 small cuts, though larger tasks may need a spare battery. It's not for heavy-duty jobs, but its ease and portability make it perfect for occasional use. That's our top 5 best pull chainsaws for 2025. From DEWALT's versatile power to BLACK+DECKER's lightweight ease, these saws make tree trimming safe and efficient. Whether you need cordless freedom, DAS muscle, or a budget-friendly reliability, there's a pick for you. Check the links below for more details and let us know your favorite in the comments. Keep your trees tidy and your yard thriving.